Today we are testing two rice cooker giants to find the ultimate kitchen champion. One is a premium induction master, the other is a classic pressure powerhouse. I will break down features, taste, and value to help you decide. Let us start with the sleek and modern CUCKOO CRP-JHR0609F model. This unit utilizes induction heating technology for faster and more even cooking. The result is incredibly consistent rice texture that never burns at the bottom. It handles high-pressure cooking perfectly, reducing your time in the kitchen significantly. The curved stainless steel inner pot is heavy, durable, and feels extremely premium. Navigating the menu is intuitive with responsive touch controls and voice navigation. This is the ideal choice for tech lovers who demand restaurant-quality rice. The pros are the unmatched heat distribution and the sleek, space-saving design. However, the price point is higher and the fan can be somewhat noisy. A premium powerhouse for perfect texture every time. Now let us examine the classic and reliable CUCKOO BHSS0609F model. This unit features a traditional heating plate combined with high-pressure capability. It excels at creating that sticky, chewy rice texture many people adore. This is a proven workhorse that delivers consistently great results year after year. The design is more oval and traditional, fitting well in classic kitchen aesthetics. Buttons are tactile and straightforward, making operation simple for any family member. Perfect for families who want reliable sticky rice without complex tech features. The major pros are the durability and that authentic sticky rice flavor. However, it lacks induction heating and cooking times can be slightly longer. A trustworthy classic that delivers great value and excellent sticky rice. If you want premium fluffiness, choose JHR. For sticky value, choose BHSS. My overall winner is the JHR for its advanced tech. Happy cooking!